What if you could run a dropshipping store by just saying yes or no? There's a lot of tools that call themselves AI dropshipping, but most just kind of give you a dashboard and you still have to do the work. So for the next 30 days, I'm handing my entire store to an AI agent. It sources, it lists, it prices. I just approve or reject. This is day one. We're going to see if I can get some sales. So 3 rules so that we're straight on this. First, the agent does the work, not me. So second, my job is only to approve or reject. If I start fixing things or it's a tool that I have to babysit, that's a failure. 3, it runs for 30 days. I come back with the results video. So real numbers and just kind of show you how this AI agent did. So and if you would like this experiment idea, please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. So those of you who have used AI, this might look familiar. It's just a chat. There's no menus you have to go through to figure out where you're supposed to click. Just a chat. You're just telling it what you want to build. They have a different agent for Shopify, Wix, or BigCommerce. We're going to do Shopify. It's the biggest of them. So it costs 1 credit per use. I have 89 credits currently. So we'll keep that updated as we go as well. So first we're going to type the prompt, and good prompting is just say what it is you're looking to do. So help me build a Shopify store from scratch. And I love AI because I can misspell things. I'm not even going to Shopify. It'll know what I'm talking about. And actually, to make this even easier, I didn't even need to type this. What a waste of energy. I could click down here, walk me through opening a store from zero. That's what I was looking to do. So I'm starting from nothing and just going to ask it to build the store and it will handle the setup. So it used to be, a 2-week project getting a dropshipping store set up. Now AI will take care of for me. So first question that it asked me, and I love when AI asks questions to clarify, but we're going with Shopify. So then it asks a few questions. What type of store? And I'm going to say don't know, just trending. I will pick a color. Blue is my favorite color. Little James trivia if you didn't know already. And that looks like a happy couple. We will start a Shopify trial. And I like that there's a trial. So it's $1 a month for 3 months. But that gives you a good chance to try it out so you're not sinking money if you don't know if this is something you're going to stick with. So got my Shopify trial started. So we'll go to next here. Install the Doba app into my new Shopify store. Install. I did notice that the Doba app has pretty good reviews for 4.5 star rating, so that's pretty good. So we installed that, go to next. Now we need to get the URL for the store. So we'll just from the Shopify store, just copy and paste that. So to get the actual URL for the store, we actually go to online store and click this eyeball there. Then we get this URL. We'll paste that in here, build your store with AI. Now, the beauty of AI, while this is working, it is building my dropshipping store. I can work on other things while I wait. All right, so store is going. Store is connected to Doba. Now let's go ahead and find some products. So I just got a dog, a husky. Her name is Keely. I'll have my editor put a picture of her. She's pretty cute. But let's find me 10 husky products under $40 with at least 25% profit margins. We'll find some products to put on this husky store. So, and it's always interesting, AI went a different direction than I thought in my brain, but it actually went like husky themed. But that actually might be a better store. There's actually probably a lot of stores out there for like products for husky dogs, but maybe there's not a store out there for like people who just love huskies and they want, husky sweaters and husky dish drying mats and things like that. So let's pick a few of these. Let's just take all of these and let's list these products now. So you notice the AI went and found all these and it talks to you about their supplier, about the demand signals, and gives AI insights on each of them. So let's go ahead and list all these selected products. While listing, we're listing to my store. That's the one I just made. I should give it a name. And then it says it's going to set the sale price at the original price times 1.2 plus shipping fees. So that'll give us our profit there. And then the compare at price is the original price times 2. Include shipping. And instead of keep original, let's optimize titles, optimize descriptions, and we will continue. So this will take a few minutes. Estimated time, 5 minutes. But again, beauty of AI, this is going. I can just work on other things. Usually I have like 3 or 4 at least different AI projects I'm working on at once. So we'll let Doba Pilot cook here and we'll be back in a minute. So it took about 5 minutes, just like it said, and it did list the 10 products that I put onto this new store. So it automatically updated the titles and descriptions to make them good for that particular product. And when I go to my store now, here are the products. So just like that, so far we got our store set up automatically. It's hooked up to Doba, and we got our Husky products set up here. Let me know in the comments if you have a name I should do for this store. This would be kind of cool, like just a Husky themed dropshipping store. So, and I did forget to just hit publish on the theme that Doba set up. So actually Doba even put this is the picture I picked and the color that I picked, and now we have our products. So store ready to go. So it's never been easier than it is now to set up a dropshipping store. This took a total of my work, probably about 25 seconds, honestly. Took hardly, I clicked a few things and then it's good to go. So that's day one down. Please do like and subscribe if you want to see results of this. Again, I'm going to see in 30 days if I can get some sales. Maybe I start running some ads to this store, start getting some traffic on it. But let me know if you would like to see this. So, and if you'd like to get your own dropshipping store set up, Doba.com has their mid-year growth event going right now. So up to $810 savings from what it normally costs. Plus, these come with a growth pack to help you grow your store. Comes with access to the masterclass, so you can learn about dropshipping. So, in any Doba plan, it gets you 200 plus AI credits for that Doba Pilot that I just showed you. Plenty to get your store up and running. So, link will be down below. Again, verse for the channel: hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty. A lot of people have talked to me about starting dropshipping. Stop talking about it and start taking some action. Again, this will take you hardly any effort at all. So just start taking those steps towards your goals. And let me know if I can support you. Let me know how it goes. Would love to walk with you on this journey. So that's day one. Store is live. Agents running, handing out for 30 days. Stay tuned for results. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.